One day, I was sitting at my office desk working, and my colleague asked me, "Why is it? Why is that relationship so hard? Why is it so difficult to break things up?" I took a pause first, and I said, "It's because we are all dancing in memories." Right now, you're asking me this, and the reason why it's stopping you is because there's a certain memory that you've created with that person. It's obviously difficult when all of a sudden you want to change the way you feel about yourself. Yes, it's not just about that person. You felt that love for that person. That feeling is inside you. You grew that and watered it daily. So that is inside you. Yes, it is also inside that person. Even that soul has done the same thing for you. And the amount of water and sunshine she has watered inside of her varies from you. And it might not be the same. The thing which is outside of you is faith, and that is blind trust, blindly believing in that person to build a shelter, a trust, a sense of settlement. That bond which is based on partnership, built on trust, watered with love, and that has so much intense feeling. And you want to kill it in a day. I don't want to get into why you want to kill it, because that's a completely different aspect. But there's certain strong memory in your body and mind which you can't just kill it in a day, right? To address the question about why is it so hard, can you just elaborate a little on this? He said, "It's hard because I want to end it for certain reasons, but I can't see her in pain. I don't want her to go through all that because of me." Well, that's actually kind of you to think about that person you love. And that's natural, but you need to understand that life is about creating memories and moments and not permanency. Nothing is permanent. Even your body is not permanent. You're going to die one day. So, how she deals with this is her headache, not yours. You focus on your life. I know this may sound selfish and rude, but she trusted you, and now she has to pay the price of your trust, isn't it? The question is not what is right or wrong, but she trusted you. You're breaking for some reasons which is valid to you, and so now she will have to face it. How she handles it, it is her karma, it's her choices. She chose you, and now she'll pay the price. The same way you chose her, and now you're finding it difficult to break because you made certain kind of bond that you care for her feelings, and so it's difficult for you. This is your karma. It is difficult because you grew that love inside of you. It's a part of you. You cannot just remove it in a day. There's a memory that you've been, visualizing it, experiencing it every day, every moment, day and night. And so now you pay the price of your choices you made. That's what love is all about, isn't it? Selfless sacrifice.